Hello, my name is Panayotidou and I'm a student of University of Wales. Through this presentation, I will share with you the results and outcomes of my pilot activity. The activity was to create a social media group with the help of Facebook or Twitter in order for all the participants to share our TEL experience. The activity objectives were the collaboration of the learners for the creation of a new social media group through which they would share their learning experiences and impressions on TEL program, the development of their knowledge and understanding regarding the use of social media accounts, the enhancement of their practical skills regarding the use of social media accounts or groups with a pleasant and funny way, the creation of strong relationships and long-term human relations between them, the sharing and recreation of knowledge through the exchange of ideas, their personal development through critical and creative thinking, and the opportunities for interactions, feedback, and self-evaluation. Let me describe the activity. This pilot activity was a part of the TEL program of University of Wales. Participants of the TEL program improved their learning experience by participating to this learning activity during the 2 weeks period. The expected hours for the participants to collaborate and create this social media group was maximum 1 hour. The expected hours for their interactions and reflections were 2.5 hours. First of all, participants were expected to familiarize themselves with social media sites, Facebook or Twitter. Some participants were more experienced with those sites and they took initiatives and helped other learners that were less experienced. Secondly, participants were expected to collaborate in order to create a plan for the group profile and contact. The participants could arrange meetings through Skype or could exchange ideas through the platform of TEL program or through their emails. Each participant was requested to share at least one time the personal experience that she or he had about this program. All the participants were expected to post comments and thoughts on the experiences of others. Through this activity, learners were expected to interact and exchange new ideas and proposals for the improvement of their TEL experience. The resources that participants needed were laptops or desktops, internet access, social media sites, Facebook or Twitter, Skype, emails, the learning platform of the TEL program. Learners were supported by me with the following steps. The first step was to provide them guidance at the beginning and reassure that the activity was clear and comprehensive for all of them. Also, my role as a tutor was to coach and guide learners using various resources, especially when they had questions. More significant was to create the feeling and the reality that they would get my support and feedback whenever they needed it. I believe that my support encouraged participants to participate and be a part of this community. My role as a tutor was also to foster confidence and learners' participation in any phase of the activity. Furthermore, one of my obligations was to provide support and feedback to learners' posts or queries. I believe that my participation and motivation played a key role to the success of the activity. The evaluation methods used were the impressions and feelings of learners about this activity, and the sharing of new information and, most importantly, the creation of new knowledge. So, how about the results of this pilot activity? A new social media group created on Facebook with the title Our TEL Experience. 5 learners participated in this activity. I received the enthusiasm and energy of the learners and I'm very satisfied and glad about this. My personal impression is that participants enjoyed very much this activity. They had the opportunity to share their experiences or knowledge with innovative ways. The use of social media gave us the chance to be connected and share knowledge not only for this activity but also for future learning goals. As the group is still running, more outcomes will come up on a later stage. Recommendation. Without any doubt, it was an interesting experience for me. My conclusion is that all phases of a pilot activity are equally important, and tutors had to pay attention to them. These phases are planning, design, clear and comprehensive guidance to learners, feedback and motivation, and finally, evaluation. Thank you for listening.